Hey everyone, want to keep certain apps private on your iPhone? I'll show you how to hide apps in just a few quick steps. Let's go. First, open the app that you want to hide. Press and hold on it and tap Remove from home screen. Don't worry, it's not deleted. You can still find it in the app library. Want to hide multiple apps at once? Press and hold anywhere on the screen until your apps start shaking. Tap on the little dots at the bottom, uncheck a page and hit done. Now the entire page is now hidden. To make an app invisible, in search, go to settings, City and search, select the app and toggle off show in search and show on home screen. Now it won't appear when you search for it. Want to hide an app from your purchase history? Open the App Store, tap on your profile, go to purchased, swipe left on the app and tap hide. And that's it. Now you can keep your apps private like a pro. If this video helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you in the next one.